Yes. What are we going to learn today? Synonyms. What is synonym? Synonym. Yes. Having the words having the same meanings are called synonyms. The word having the same meaning. Now, amazing. Amazing is a word. The same meaning word for the amazing is wonderful. You can take marvelous. Yes. And fantastic. These are all the words which gives the same meaning. Which gives the same meaning. So let me share the screen now. We'll learn what are synonyms and what are antonyms. Here we have. Are you able to see the screen, children? Okay. So here you see synonyms. All words have the same meanings. That is inspiring pleasure or extremely good. It is very, very nice, very good. So we are describing something here with the same thing. See here, fun, wonderful, amazing, fantastic, astonishing, marvelous. These are all the words we are using to tell that something is extremely good. Okay, and you can see here some other synonyms here. There is an ice cream cone. Can you see an ice cream cone there? Yes, there are some more words. Open your course book, page number 7, everyone. Course book, page number 7. Yes, see there. There is an ice cream cone. You can see there. Here we have some synonyms. See, colossal, titanic, massive, gigantic, huge, big. These are all the same meaning words for the big. What is the meaning of huge? Very big. Gigantic, very big. Yes. Massive, very big. Titanic, very big. And colossal, very big. So meanings are same, but words are different. So these words, when they are giving the same meaning, they are called the synonyms. It is not a meaning. It is the same word we are using. Same word we are using. Now see here, like that we have some other synonyms here. Some words are given and some other synonyms. Some other word which is a synonym of that particular word. Let us see rich. Instead of rich, you can use one more word. What is that? Wealthy. What is the other word we can use instead of rich? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Wealthy.
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 So you can add in your vocabulary this. He is a rich man. Instead of he is a rich man, you can tell he is a wealthy man. He's a wealthy person. So you have to find some new words, some other words which gives us the same meaning. It improves your pronouncing. It improves your speaking skills. And when you're speaking, by adding these new words in your vocabulary, it looks fabulous. Everyone will appreciate your way of speaking. Okay. So now let us see what we have another. So rich. What is the other word for the rich we can use here? Wealthy. Plate. You can use as dish. Come. Arrive. Come. What is the synonym for come? Yes, children? Come. arrive. Chair. Chair. What is the other word?
Seat.
Seat. Yes. What is the other word we have there? Seat. Begin. Start.
Ma'am, arrive.
Yes. Chose.
Yes.
What is the synonym
Big.
of chose?
Big, ma'am.
Big. Very good. Rubber.
Thief.
Thief. Hurry.
Rush.
Rush. Fight.
Battle.
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 Instead of fight, see? Instead of fight, they be used here battle. Flower.
Blossom.
Blossom.
Flower
Blossom.
Yes. Sad.
Unhappy.
Unhappy. Error.
Mistake.
Unhappy.
Mistake. Loud.
Mistake.
Noisy.
Loud.
Loud noise.
Yes.
Noisy.
Next one. See, friend.
Different.
Oh, friend. Paul.
Friend, ma'am.
What is the synonym of friend we have?
Pal.
Paul.
Pal,
See, you
pal.
can call your friend as a Paul also. Yes? He's my best Paul. Nice, no? Nice too.
Paul.
Yes.
Funny too.
So, lid. Lid.
Cover.
Sorry. Lid. Cover.
Cover.
Get.
Revise.
Receive. Get.
Receive.
Receive.
Receive. Permit.
Permit.
Allow.
Permit.
Allow.
Permit means permission. Please give me permission. Instead of that, you can add allow me.
Permit.
Yeah, allow me to join the class.
Unallow me
to
like.
get in the class. Allow me to write. Please allow me to speak something. And please give permission to write. Instead of that, you can add this allow. Allow me to write. Allow me to speak.
Allow and noise.
Okay, now love. What is the meaning of love?
Adore.
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 Adore. Again, adore.
Adore.
Yes, adore. Very good. Quiet.
Adore.
Yeah, be
Silent.
quiet. Be quiet, please. Please.
Words.
Yes. Be silent or be quiet. So here.
Now antonyms.
Yes. So synonyms. First, you tell me what are synonyms. What is the definition of the synonym? How will you describe a synonym?
Same word, same meanings are called synonyms.
Yes.
But the word is different.
Yes. Words having the same meaning are called synonyms. Children, you should learn all these synonyms. In this graded assessment, you will get the synonyms and antonyms. Only that. So many synonyms we have and so many antonyms we have in the course book. So you have to learn all this. Got it? See, a week days before I'm giving you the syllabus for your graded assessment. Saturday, you have your graded assessment, but Monday, today is the first, yes, day of the week. I'm telling you today itself what you will get in the graded assessment. So you should ready. You should get 10 out of 10. Your syllabus for GA 2. Synonyms and antonyms. Is it okay? Everyone? Yes. Next one. We will read antonyms. Now, let us learn about antonyms. Are you ready? Okay.
Not the opposite.
Yeah. What is the meaning of antonyms here?
The opposite words. It means
Yeah.
like words having opposite meanings are called antonyms.
Very good.
Or opposite words or opposite meanings are called antonyms.
Here.
having the opposite meaning
Yes, words having the opposite meaning are called antonyms. Very good.
below, above, add, subtract, all
Yes.
none.
So here, opposite words. We know what are opposites. In our previous classes also, we have learned lots of opposites. Yes. So now here also we have some opposite words. You can see here, below, below. Come on, make it fast.
Active.
Below.
Below and all.
What is here below?
Below.
Below,
Below,
opposite.
above.
Above.
Add,
And
subtract. Subtract.
Subtract. All.
None.
None.
None. Alone.
None.
Together.
Together. Always.
Never.
Never.
Never. Back.
Never. Front.
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 Before.
Front.
After.
After. Before. After.
After.
Begin.
End.
Begin. End.
End.
Cold.
Cold.
Hot.
Hot.
Cool.
Warm.
Very good. Difficult.
Easy.
Easy. Next, empty.
Full.
Full. Enter.
Exit.
Exit. Even.
Odd.
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 First.
Last.
Last. Next one.
Leave. Stay.
First, last. Next after that.
Leave. Stay.
Fact.
Hi.
What is the other opposite word of fact we have there? Fiction. Fact means the things which are fact, real. Fiction means imaginary things. Fiction. Yes, fake. Imaginary. We are imagining. Like Alice in Wonderland we had. That was imaginary. Yes, that was a fiction. Yes, Heidi is a real story. So that is a fact and this is a fiction. Okay. Next one. High.
High, low.
Low. Inside.
Outside.
Jolly.
Serious.
Means fun. Yes, jolly. Serious. Leave. Leave my class
Stay.
right now. No, ma'am, I want to stay in
Stay.
the class.
Ma'am.
Okay, next one. Loud.
Quiet.
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 Don't read
Quiet.
loud. Don't read loudly. Okay, ma'am, I'll read quietly. Yes?
Yeah.
You
Quiet.
can frame these sentences also like this. Okay, near.
Far.
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 North.
South.
Far.
Over.
Not south.
Over.
Under.
Under. Part.
Whole.
Hole. Not a hole. Hole means not a, that one hole that like, where we can put something. Whole means entire. Complete. Complete. Okay.
Whole.
Yes. Next one. Play.
Private. Public.
Work.
Private.
Private.
Private means
Public.
our personal thing. Personally we
Public.
can do. Public means
Ma'am,
public.
public.
You can share with everyone. Yeah. Now here also in the Zoom also you have two options. Share chatting you can do privately or public. So that one. Private opposite is
like
public. Next one, push.
Pull.
Pull. Okay. Safe. Dangerous. Same. Different.
Say.
Sweet.
Different.
Soul.
Sour. Sweet. Laddu is sweet.
Laddu is very
Laddu
sweet.
is very sweet. Okay. Tamarind is sour. Tamarind is sour. Yes. You can also add bitter. Sweet, bitter also will come as an opposite. Bitter gourd is so bitter to eat. Yuck. But it's good for health. Yes? Okay, it purifies your blood. Okay, next one. Sweet, you can add bitter or you can also add sour. Okay, both are correct. Throw. Throw the ball. I catched it. Yes? I'm throwing the ball. I can catch it. Are you ready to catch the ball? Unmute yourself. You can unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Got already. Ma'am.
Tie.
Can I say one example?
Untie. Okay. True.
Ma'am, please can I say one example?
Yes, Sanvi. Yes, please.
False.
My sister have catch a ball.
Okay. Next one, vertical.
Horizontal.
Yes, vertical, horizontal. Very good. Next one, win. Win. Lose. Tight.
Loose.
See, here, win, lose. Lose means I lost it. Here, tight, loose. Loose means making it free.
Yeah, loose.
Yeah?
It
Yeah.
Too
My shoelace are too tight.
means like
Okay, lose it. Make it some free. Okay. So next one, doubt.
Trust.
Trust. Yes, doubt, trust. So now children, these are the few antonyms we had here. So you have to learn all these things. I will conduct a quiz also. I will conduct the quiz on this. I'll make the entire class into groups. Okay. And I will ask you, each and every group will get few synonyms and antonyms. We'll see who will win. Shall we have that? Shall we have that quiz? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that quiz will conduct tomorrow, today and tomorrow I'll give you time. Wednesday I'll conduct the quiz. You have to learn all the synonyms and antonyms. And now here children, this is homework for you. Page number 10. Page number 10. So this is your page number 10. Write their date. This is your homework. Right there, 18. One and HW. Only this bit you can tick like this. Only one bit. Yes.
Ma'am, have we done page number 2 of English course book?
Page number
2.
2.
Qualitative adjective, quantitative adjective.
We have done. I have shared this page through MCB, no beta.
No, ma'am, you didn't. It didn't come for me. I checked in homework.
No.
Yeah,
okay,
no
problem. Once again, I'll share with you. But
okay,
I have shared in the MCB on Saturday, I think. Friday or Saturday. Once you check the date.
Okay, ma'am.
Check in the MCB. If you are not able to find, then you can ask me. Okay. So this is your homework, children. You have to write antonyms, that opposite word of these things. These words which are given here. Okay. And tomorrow you have to tell me all this. Done? the history of inventions now. Global English we have. Here page number 6, children. Open your course book, page number 6, beta. Course book, page number 6, everyone.